Have a great day. Happy All Souls Day. If we will die today, ano yung gusto nating ilagay sa ating lapida so that people remember us? RIP, Rest in Peace, or MLP, My Life Purpose. A sad story, people died na hindi na-discover yung purpose in our life. Bakit tayo nandito sa mundo? But the good story can find our life purpose instantly through these three powerful questions. Number one, kanino tayo tinatawag to serve? Number two, ano ang isang problema na tinatawag tayo para bigyan ng solution? And number three, paano tayo tinatawag to solve the problem? Hi, I'm Elias Saltiban Jr. My life purpose, educating to inspire people have abundant mindset through massive education. To know more about how to find your life purpose, join my one-day recollection. You will learn your passion, your potential, your mission, and your vocation. Chat mo lang ako sa aking personal Facebook account. See you there!